How to add your trading account in Trades Copier. Hey, welcome to Trades Copier. In this video, we will show you how you can connect your Metatrader account in Trades Copier dashboard. Step number 1, go to Trades Copier dashboard and click on Add Account. Then add the name of your account. Then add your account ID. Then select your platform for now. I'm selecting MT4. Then select your broker. I'm selecting this one. Then choose your server. If you don't see your server listed, please contact us at info@tradescopier.com. We'll ensure it's added within 24 hours. Account prefix, it's optional. I am leaving it as it is. And account suffix, it's also optional. I am also leaving it as it is. Prefix and suffix in MT5. Refer to additional characters or text added to the base symbol name to differentiate between various versions or types of the same symbol. This is often used by brokers to distinguish between different trading conditions or account types. Then add your account password. Investor password is optional. I'm leaving it as it is and click on Save Changes. You successfully add your Metatrader account in Trades Copier dashboard.